Something crunchy and something sweet that definitely makes for the best treat. Only 3 ingredients, here's how. Firstly, you're going to grab a beautiful Masterchef stainless steel casserole pot and pour in 2 tablespoons of SPAR canola oil. You're then going to add in a cup of popcorn kernels, close the pot and watch the kernels pop away. Once all your kernels have popped, set aside your popcorn to cool with the lid off. Grab another Masterchef stainless steel saucepan and this time add in 3 cups of white sugar and half a cup of water. Simmer for 8 to 10 minutes, ensuring that you don't stir whilst cooking your caramel. Pour your golden brown caramel onto a lined baking tray, then immediately top with your popcorn. Leave the popcorn brittle to set for an hour, and once set, break the popcorn brittle into shards, serve up and enjoy your delicious sweet treats.